Hi guys, friends, brother and sister. First of all, I want to say you all of yes, good morning. And already you know is going on winter session, so I wear the warm cloth. Yeah, that winter session gone about 3 months, 4 months like this. Yeah. So friends, today my topic will be about in what kind of you can learn English. Yeah. I swear in whatever I will speak. I will speak truth. I will not speak lie. Yeah. Friends, and first of all, I want to explain you. And you don't believe. In 1 year ago, yeah, one translate I used to not speak. And now whatever I'm speaking, I know also that in now my speech is happening mistake. Yeah, my speech is happening mistake. But in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years after, it can be improved. So if you want to learn English in like this, you have to practice also. And you will think no, in every time my translate is happening mistake that in how will I speak, no, that in whatever you are doing mistake, let it mistake, you would not mind, but and that daily by daily you have to practice. In practice is main things, that your mouth will be open. Otherwise, only you will think that in immediately my speech will fluently. No, it is impossible because this is not your mother tongue language. This is in frozen language. I give you example that in frozen peoples can't speak my mother tongue language because he did not try, and there are not go on my language, only there are going only in self language. Yeah, so in this language, for that every time you have to read, and you have to writing, you have to practice. After that your mouth will be open. So friends, in now, and I want to say you that in what kind of you can learn. Yeah. And my topic in I take something. Yeah. What kind of is happen, and how much different and that winter session and the summer session. Yeah. And winter session is those people is like those people as has all things. Yeah. Winter session is not for good, especially poor peoples. Yeah, those people is rich man, and they have all things. Yeah, that in they have in good house. Yeah, they have warm cloth. Yeah, but in those are poor people, they have no any warm cloth, they have no any option. That so those so poor people's is not like winter session. Especially I want to give you example that in those people is living in roadside, and those people has not house. Yeah, you can imagine in what kind of his life is passing, please you can imagine. So friends, and those are rich men that for that good in winter session. In now friends, in every time in I am speaking, but my speaking is mistake, but will be improved, no problem that. Yeah, in now my mind is saying every time, yeah, let it speak, let it mistake, no problem. So friends, guys, only I want to say you that in and especially winter session, we get any advantage, we get in like vegetables. Yeah, that good vegetables. Yeah, in now we are getting any in which vegetable you will not get summer session, in that vegetable you are getting now. Yeah. So friends, so those people is rich man that for that is a winter session in for good that. Otherwise in especially all of us in all of us want in winter session is especially and I like also that. But in you have to think about these people, and those people is not in any thing, especially for wearing, yeah, and any kamal that in like this, yeah. So friends, that like this we have to understand, and in this this was in sometime I teach the children also, yeah. So the children is coming, and I will meet you with the next video. That time my topic will be other. Yeah, in like this, my practice will be continue. Yeah, don't worry. That in like this, you will get video. Yeah, who is beginner level? Yeah, already you know who is beginner level, and for this video is good, and this video is good. So beginner level is in like this you can practice, and now in first time, and my study is also continue and can be mistake, friends. So friends, I would say you, please, if you want learning like this in daily by daily, you take any topic and you speak that, yeah. And you are thinking, no, 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 in it is impossible, in I can't speak fluently in, no, 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 that whatever your word coming is your mouth, please you speak that, yeah. So friends, in I meet you tomorrow with next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.